Yeah, welcome back, everybody. Some parts of the state hit 60. Other parts of the state have been looking at some snow coming down for hours. Taking a live look at Lewistown, you can see the snowflakes coming down here in that camera shot. Up around Hayes, we've had some snow coming down for a few hours. And take a live look into the town of Sunburst. Some snow and some wind, and that snow is sticking on the road surfaces as well. In Bowman's Corner, the snow starting to pick up here in this area. A little fog out there as well. In the capital, we were very warm up until about 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then that front came through. 38 degrees right now, feels more like 31 after a high of 61 degrees, and in Great Falls, 31 degrees. Now we've dropped below the freezing point and a little north wind at about 10 miles per hour. But there's the front here, just pushing through Billings, about to go through places like Bozeman and Butte. But on the cold side of the front, 20s and 30s, still out ahead of the front. A few locations are in the 40s. A winter weather advisory is in effect from the Rocky Mountain front through Great Falls, through Lewistown, including Havre, including Billings, all the way out into the southeast part of the state. Winter weather advisory. It's not as bad as a winter storm warning. The snow generally a few inches in the lower elevations, as much as half a foot though into the mountains, and that goes for some of the mountains like the Moccasin Mountains, the Judith Mountains here, the Little Belts, the Bear Paw Mountains. Some of those mountains could see as much as a half a foot of snow here. The radar, again, we've had some snowflakes around Lewistown, also through Geyser, Great Falls here, but the radar not picking it up quite as well as it is falling, quite as indicating where we are seeing some snow. But take a look at this band that's been persisting from around Chester down through places like Fort Benton and Loma, pushing just to the north of the Winifred area. And this is some solid snow up here around Hayes and Zortman, through Malta, out through Glasgow, when you see those darker shades of blue. So this snow will continue here for a lot of the central and eastern part of the state, kind of pushing into western Montana, running up against the western mountains here, the Continental Divide, and a little of this snow will come over the Little Belts and the Big Belts and around the North Hill around the capital here, but not much further west and south of the Helena area. We'll see snow. Still a little snow around Great Falls, Lewistown, Roundup, Judith Gap, White Sulphur Springs, and at the capital early tomorrow morning. And then we'll see the clouds and the snow break up and move out, clearing here by the time we get into the afternoon. It'll be a chilly day, but at least we'll have some sunshine here by the afternoon and the evening. Clear skies for Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And then Thursday we'll have a little in the way of some high clouds sneaking through, but warmer air moves back in here for Thursday with temperatures back into the 40s. There's the accumulating snow, mainly north central parts of the state, a little bit around the capital. Here's a look at some towns and the snowfall that you can expect. Not much around the capital, maybe about an inch around Canyon Ferry and York, a little heavier snow east of the official downtown area. Great Falls 1 to 3, Lewistown 2 to 3, and the mountains again up to about 6 inches of snow. So not only do we have snow tonight, though, cold temperatures as well, single digits and teens. So if any roads were wet at times today, we'll be looking at them icing over through the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. 12 around Lewistown, and the capital, teens and 20s with just a little light flurry activity. The cold front will move south tomorrow. High pressure moving in for clearing skies as we go through the day here through tomorrow. Looking at Thursday, we'll have clear skies with warmer temperatures in the 40s. Friday, we're going up into the 50s here. Nice warm day for a lot of the state. Saturday, though, starting out early will be okay, but a cold front will move through with an increase in snow late Saturday night into Sunday. You know, these snow events tonight, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, not looking very heavy. A couple inches here, and we'll be melting a lot of that snow with warm-ups following the snow events.
Still probably not the best day to go play golf tomorrow, right?
I don't know, you're not that much of a diehard then.
Fair enough.
I was going to say, good point. What's coming up in sports, Sam?